Kids are exposed to viral and bacterial illnesses and accidents. Before magsugod ang ilang klase, make sure na na-enroll ninyo sila sa ER Care All-in Plan ni iCare. Kini nga prepaid HMO provides up to 100,000 pesos worth of inpatient and outpatient care coverage for emergency cases due to viral, bacterial, accidents, and other specific conditions. It's one-time pay, one-time use, valid for 1 year or until used, whichever comes first. Once nagamit na ninyo and wala ninyo na-consume ang maximum benefit limit, dili na pwede siya gamiton og balik. But you can repurchase and register a new one. Please note that it takes 10 calendar days ay ma-activate ang inyong prepaid voucher o dili covered ang pre-existing conditions. Again, dili covered ang pre-existing conditions. To learn how to register and enroll your kids in an ER Care All-in Plan by iCare, please check the comment section below or you can send me a message directly. I'm John, usa sa mga trusted sales partners ni iCare. Good morning!